Discover the gentle touch your skin has been silently asking for with this Vaseline Body Lotion Whitening Moisturizer. Imagine stepping into your day with a soft, bright, and refreshed glow that makes you feel confident from the very first moment. This soothing formula brings a sense of comfort that feels personal, like giving your skin the attention it truly deserves. If you want a daily boost of radiance that lifts your mood and enhances your natural beauty, this moisturizer becomes a heartfelt choice. Number 1. 100 ml/400 ml Vaseline Body Lotion Whitening Moisturizer. The 100 ml 400 ml Vaseline Body Lotion Whitening Moisturizer for Chicken Skin Treatment Brightening Skin Care Dual Size offers a comforting touch for anyone wishing their skin felt smoother and looked naturally clearer. Dryness, dullness, and uneven texture can quietly affect confidence, making everyday moments feel less enjoyable. This calming lotion helps bring back a soft, bright look that feels fresh and cared for. With each application, your skin begins to feel more nurtured, creating a gentle glow that lifts your mood throughout the day. Many people long for a simple way to improve their skin without complicated routines, and this soothing formula provides that ease. It supports a healthier appearance while giving your body the kind of attention it truly deserves. If you want a daily companion that helps reveal a more radiant, comfortable, and renewed feel, this Vaseline moisturizer becomes a meaningful addition to your self-care routine. Number 2. Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Soothing Brightening Skin. The Vaseline Deep Moisturizing Repair Soothing Brightening Skin Moisturizing Vaseline Cocoa Body Lotion 725 ml brings a sense of comfort and care that your skin quietly longs for every day. When dryness and rough texture affect how your body feels, it can subtly impact your confidence and mood. This rich lotion nourishes deeply, leaving skin soft, smooth, and naturally radiant with each use. The soothing cocoa formula creates a calming experience, making your daily routine feel more indulgent and gentle. People often overlook how much touch and care can transform their skin, and this moisturizing lotion reminds you how comforting true hydration can be. Every application feels like a moment of self-care, giving your body the attention it deserves and helping your skin appear brighter and more refreshed. For those who want lasting comfort and a renewed glow, this lotion becomes a trusted companion. Number 3. Vaseline Body Lotion Moisturizing Autumn. The Vaseline Body Lotion Moisturizing Autumn and Winter Hydrating Whole Body Men and Women Long-Lasting Fragrance Body Lotion 600 ml brings a comforting sense of care that your skin quietly craves during cold and dry seasons. When dryness and tightness affect your body, it can make everyday moments feel less enjoyable and subtly lower your confidence. This nourishing lotion wraps your skin in a soft, hydrating layer, leaving it smooth, refreshed, and lightly scented throughout the day. Every application feels like a gentle touch of comfort, restoring balance and a sense of well-being. People often underestimate how much hydration can change how their body feels and looks, and this lotion provides that soothing relief effortlessly. It supports skin that feels soft, cared for, and energized, allowing you to enjoy each day with renewed confidence and a comforting, lasting fragrance that lingers naturally. Number 4. Vaseline Body Lotion Healthy Bright. The Vaseline Body Lotion Healthy Bright Superfood Fresh Lock Fruit UV Protection Brightening Nourishing Hydration Body Skin Care brings a refreshing sense of care and vitality to your daily routine. When your skin feels dull, dry, or tired, it can quietly affect how confident and energized you feel throughout the day. This lotion nourishes deeply, helping skin appear brighter, smoother, and more refreshed while offering a gentle shield from harsh environmental effects. Each application feels like a rejuvenating touch, creating a soft and hydrated layer that leaves your body feeling cared for and revitalized. People often overlook how consistent hydration and protection can transform their skin and mood, and this lotion provides that effortless support. It encourages a sense of well-being, softness, and natural radiance, making every moment you spend caring for your body feel soothing, uplifting, and truly rewarding. Number 5. Vaseline Body Lotion 600 ml Deep Moisturizing Repair Dry Skin. The Vaseline Body Lotion 600 ml Deep Moisturizing Repair Dry Skin Efficient Moisturizing and Brightening Body Lotion offers a soothing and restorative experience for anyone struggling with dryness and dullness. When skin feels tight and rough, it can quietly affect confidence and comfort throughout the day. This lotion provides a calming touch, helping skin feel soft, hydrated, and naturally radiant with every application. Each use delivers a sense of care that restores balance and energy to your body, transforming simple routines into moments of self-attention and comfort. People often underestimate how proper hydration can change the way their skin feels and looks, and this lotion makes that transformation easy and enjoyable. It encourages skin that feels nourished, smooth, and brightened, giving you the reassurance of a healthy, well cared for body while bringing back the confidence and freshness you have been missing.